On the occasion of 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, we bring greetings, and also I would like to thank the media fraternity for covering this process. We will be having Unity March starting now from City Tower and will be culminating in Dimapur Government College, where we'll have a short function. All the people gathered here, I think I would like to request each and every one of you to kindly attend this culmination program also, and also I wish all the participants all the best.
I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own country contributions to ensure internal security of my country. Jai Hind.
Hornbill TV ita Dimapur Unity March te sambil ase aji 150 Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel laga birth anniversary commemorate kurigena tai laga legacy ke honor kurigena sob days te itu Unity March kurigena ahanisna ita Dimapur debi City Tower bra flag off kurigena ita moan itu walk kurigena ita Dimapur Government College tak moan jai ase. Apni background te dikan isna alag school aro colleges kan aro public kan bi itu aji Unity March te samil kurigena ita walk kurigena ekta moa laga Iron Man of India ke salute dikena tai la legacy tai ke honored kurigena ita jaya dikhi pai ase apni ita background te dikhigena itu district administration aro Ministry of Youth Resource and Sports My Bharat logo collaborate kurigena aji itu Unity March to Dimapur bra suru kurigena jhalaga se apjan ita background te dikanis na especially NCC gan yate join kurigena moan ke itu jaya se to ekta message dikhao para laga tu ekta one nation ekta moan itu sob join kurigena first Deputy Prime Minister aro Home Minister India laga tai ke honor kurigena moan aji itu ekta message dikhai dibo nimite ita Unity March to jai ase Dimapur Government College te ita culminate kuribo aro tate ekta choto program loigena aji Unity March to kotom hobo aibi moan itu laga flag off program kan bi moan itu loigena jawo aro cameraman ke itu visuals bi dikhai dibole moan ita khoi dibo.
Doing this program on the eve of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It's a 150th birthday. He plays a key major role in the freedom movement. Not only in the freedom movement, after the freedom movement, they have done a lot of things. He is the first difference here it is. He united nearly 650 princely states which is integrated in India. The last one is Hyderabad Nizam.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. As part of the Unity March campaign, we celebrate and remember the great Indian leader who once united our nation through his courage, unity, vision, and determination. Every generation looks up to heroes who shaped the destiny of our nations. Among them stands one man of iron will and unbreakable spirit, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a true giant of a man, a leader, a visionary, and a nation builder who left an indelible mark on India's history. Born on 31st October 1875 in a small village in Gujarat, but Sardar Patel's life was built on discipline, courage, and determination. From a simple village boy to a successful lawyer.
Once again, I warmly welcome and I warmly greet a very blessed good morning to one and all. Respected principal, teachers, our esteemed resource person, Mr. Fancho Moyantant, head of the department and assistant professor, Department of History, Mar Gregorius Memorial College, and my dear friends. As I stand here representing today's youth, it is indeed a great honor and privilege for me to stand here as we celebrate the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to speak on the timeless truth, strength in unity. These three simple words hold the power to build nation, preserve culture, and shape the destiny of a people, reminding us of the vision and determination of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, who was also titled
Welcome on the stage. The another guest, Krisa Kayo, the DCP sir. I am heartily welcome on the stage. The whole in charge, Sir Banda Nair sir, please come on to the stage.
My colleague, DCP, Dimapur, all the officers, the faculties of Dimapur Common College, my dear student friends, and also my friends from the media. It's a great privilege today to stand before you on this Unity March. First of all, I'd like to thank all the participants, the faculties, students from different colleges and schools, and also from the police establishment of Dimapur. We have in our midst the president and colleague of PGP Dimapur unit. Thank you. We have really shown that unity can achieve any kind of hurdles. And today, as the team says, we are here for the Unity March, and we have really shown to the people that if we stand united, we can achieve anything. I won't be stressing much because our young speakers, they have already mentioned the life stories of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. on which 150th birth anniversary we are celebrating this Unity March. We have marched for the long distance. I think we have covered almost 3 kilometers, and now all of us are here. Like you might be so tired, but just a few points for, especially for our student fraternities. You are the future of our nations. So I think with the example set by our leaders, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, I think if we have determinations and if we have courage like him, we'll be able to achieve in our life. There's few lessons which I just wanted to highlight is, one is self-made success through determination and hard work. From, if we see to his life, from humble beginning to a barrister, Badil was self-made man who came from a simple farming family. Despite studying his education late and facing financial difficulties, he preserved and he studied relentlessly to become a successful barrister, a powerful lesson that dedications and perseverance can overcome obstacles. The second point which I wanted to mention is embracing challenges. In our life, if we progress, if we go, we face lots of challenges. And if we can face the challenges and overcome, I think we'll be able to achieve the goal that we have set in. A childhood anecdote recall his treating a banful boil with a red hot iron by himself, showcasing his courage and determination from a young age. This reflects the mental fortitude needed to overcome adversities. Strong leadership and principled action. Leading from the front, Badil leadership was most famously displayed during the Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928, where he mobilized farmers against unjust tax hike. The ability to organize and inspire people for a common cause is a key lesson for aspiring leaders. Integrity and honesty. Known for his honesty and ethical conduct, Badil consistently prioritized the nation's interests above his own. His example provides a strong moral compassion for young people navigating ethical dilemmas. Vision for national unity and cohesion. Integration of princely states. His most monumental achievement was the integration of over 560 princely states into the Indian Union. This act of unity, uniting a fractured country, using a mix of diplomacy, persuasion, and firm resolve, offer a powerful vision for youth on how to bridge differences and build a cohesive society. Lastly, the steel frame of India. Badil's role is established in establishing the All Indian Service, that is IAS, IBS, etc., ensure a strong, stable, and unified administrative system for the newly independent nations. His foresight in creating this steel frame is a testament to the importance of effective and ethical governance. I think, like I said, especially to the student fraternities, if we have this kind of determination, courage, and if we can overcome all the obstacles, and we'll be able to achieve our goal. With these few words, I conclude my speech, and also thank you once again to all of you for your participations and making this program a grand success. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I represent El Shaddai Academy, and my name is Pandang Naro Longchar.
Good morning once again. My name is Cherlem Kunyak, and I am from Dimapur Government College. Thank you.